Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to get acquainted with one of the powerful and practical tools for forecasting the weather, the Windy website. The Windy website allows you to get complete and up-to-date weather information using interactive maps and detailed charts, from long-range forecasts to detailed day-to-day details. If you're interested in weather and weather forecasts, this video is designed for you. So stay with us until the end of the video and don't forget to like the video. First of all, you need to enter the Windy website. We've attached this link in the description of this video. After entering the website, in the search bar you can search for your desired location. Here we search London as an example. It's predicted good weather information for the coming days. We have the option to select various weather forecast models. We also have the wind forecast here. Along with other weather details. At the bottom of the website, there is an option that you can predict and display climate changes in the form of animation. As you can see, it displays the wind forecast for us. On the right side of the website, there are a series of climatic parameters. By selecting each one, you can see that parameter on the screen. For example, we select a few of them. Weather radar, satellite, radar, wind, Here you can see the wind forecast in the form of animation. Rain, thunder, temperature, city heat maps are available in this website too. By selecting this option, you can see a list of cities, and by choosing any city, you can view its heat map. The interface also includes tools for zooming in and out. Additionally, we can also display the wind parameter in 3D. To access all parameters in 3D, a premium subscription to the website is required. The website features webcams, allowing you to select each one to observe the weather condition in that area over the past 24 hours. Airport stations can be shown on the map. The status report can be displayed on the map as well. Wind reports. And finally, weather forecasts. By selecting the More Layer option, additional layers for each parameter are available, allowing us to choose and display what we need. More parameters can be displayed by clicking on each one. And finally, by clicking on any point on the surface of the Earth, we can view the weather information for that specific area.